Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome to another episode of Russ Can Fly. Let's go! Perfect. So even though I'm grounded, I still want to give my subscriber shout out to my brother and my newest subscriber, Delonte Gavins. Brother Delonte, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I definitely appreciate the support. I can't wait for things to kick back off so you can open up that hangar and jump into the pilot seat yourself. I am glad to hear that you're using these videos to inspire your own journey. I can't wait to see what you do, brother. Can't wait for us to fly. So thank you, Delonte, for jumping on my journey. And one of these days, we will fly together, brother. That's one of the things I'm promising myself. Everybody who joins this channel and tells me about their journey, I am committed to flying with them at some point. So get that ticket. Let's make it happen. Okay, so it goes without saying that I am grounded. Nothing is happening. I will not be doing any flying. And I gotta tell you, I'm actually happy about that. And I know it sounds crazy. My journey is like completely halted. I can't fly, but it's for a good reason. In solidarity of all of us who have to make sure that we do something about this virus and keeping it from growing out of control, all of us have to be responsible. That includes me. So of course, selfishly, I want to be up in the air. I want to be flying. And in fact, some people are flying. So a lot of the folks who are flying are either instructors or they're people who own their own planes. So there are some people who are flying. A lot of the instructors have to fly just to make sure that they keep their flight skills up and stay current and that kind of thing. So I'm glad they're able to fly. But many of the students, all of the students actually, in fact, we're all grounded. We're not able to fly. We're not able to do our ground school. And that's good. So this whole social distancing thing is all about making sure that we don't make ourselves sick or we don't make others sick. And so I'm glad that I'm grounded, because the last thing I'd want to do is, you know, I'm selfish. I want my flight lesson. I want to get my hours. I want to do my solo, only to make my flight instructor sick or somebody in his family sick. Now, imagine how that would feel, or vice versa. He makes me sick. I take it home and somebody in my family gets sick. It's not worth it. So I'm glad that I'm grounded. Yes, I would definitely love to be flying right now. I mean, it is gorgeous out here at the airport. And I came out here just to get some air because I've been on lockdown working at home. And I'm thankful for the ability to be able to work at home. But I did have to come out, get some fresh air, come to the airport just to see what was going on. And, you know, there's a little bit going on. Like I said, some pilots are taking their planes out. They're taking the opportunity to fly their own planes. Or some of the instructors are coming out here to, you know, keep their skills sharp, you know, and to be ready for us when we come back and start flying. But, you know, it goes without saying, and I'm serious about this. I'm glad that I'm not able to fly right now. I'm glad that everything is on lockdown. All these folks are safe. For instance, like this gentleman here who is, you know, works to pull the airplanes and put gas in the airplanes and stuff. We're protecting all those folks like that. And like I said, all the instructors, all the folks who are responsible for, you know, making sure that, you know, we're taking our flight lessons and, you know, doing what we need to do. So yes, my preference is I would love to be flying, but right now it's just not safe. So I'm grounded. I just have to wait for this to be over. Eventually we will beat this. We will get on the other side, and I'll be back to it. So in the meantime, I'll be doing some different types of videos. One of the things that I definitely want to start doing is maybe talking more about some of my ground school stuff. I've got some older footage that I can use in terms of, you know, some of my other flight lessons. So I'll figure some other things out. But my journey is halted right now, and you know, this is life. I will say it is weird to be at the airport and have such a nice day and not be in an airplane, or at least thinking about being in one. Anytime the sky looks like this and the wind is this low, it's definitely like flight time. And so my body is ready. I've got that nervous anticipation of like feeling the power of the throttle, making sure I'm putting in enough right rudder to make sure I deal with the left turning tendencies, all that good stuff. But no, it's better to be safe than sorry. And so as much as I'm feeling this pull to fly the airplane, get in there and, you know, continue my journey, I understand how important it is to continue to practice this social distancing. It is going to work. So before I continue my video, I have to show this plane taking off, because I don't know if you've noticed, but you see this plane in the background of so many of my videos. November 6554 Victor, you always see this airplane in the back. Anytime I'm at the airport, you see this plane in the background. And so I finally get to see it start and take off. So definitely have to watch this thing take off as an interlude to, you know, some of this other part of my video. I finally get to see this Baron take off. So I definitely had to capture that plane taking off, because I've been seeing this thing sit on the tarmac for about 8 months. So I finally decided that I had to see this thing take off. So there you go. Okay, so as you can see, the sun is getting ready to get down. I was just talking to somebody because I can't leave. I just love being here. And, you know, just being here is enough for now, because I just want to stay connected to this whole thing. I love aviation. And I want to be a pilot, and I can't wait to join the aviation community. I can't wait to go to Sun and Fun. I can't wait to do all of these different meetups. I just can't wait to fly. And so I'm committed to this thing, and even though I'm shut down, I won't be able to fly for who knows how long, I'm still going to be committed. So I would ask that you stay on this journey with me, because I'm in it for the long haul. I don't care how long this takes. But I definitely want you and your family to be safe. I'll be praying for all of you. Please be safe. Please stay distant. You know, wash your hands, all that good stuff. All right, I'm out.